Good morning children, I am Ramya, your science teacher. So today I am again back with the same topic, sense organs and its care. So today I am going to say about the revision. After this, you will be having the examination. So, sense organs and its care. How many sense organs we are having? Right, 5. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Right? So, 5 sense organs we are having: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And so, what are the importance of these sense organs? What they will tell us about our surroundings. They will be saying about our surroundings. That's why we name it as a sense organs. So, first coming to the eyes. I told while explaining in the class, I told that eyes, another name also it is there, like sense of vision. Sense of vision, and this one I gave as a question worksheet also in question in worksheet. Okay, eyes, sense of vision. What it will do? It will able to know the color of the object, shape of the object, and size of the object. That is main function of our eyes. Next, coming to the ears. What it is? Sense of hearing or sense of sound. Because or we can say it as sense of hearing or sound. So what it will do? Yes, it will be able to receive many types of sounds. I gave the examples also to understand this. Like good sound, bad sound, some are irritable, some are very peaceful to hear. So different types of sounds can be taken by our ears. And next coming to the nose. What we call nose? Sense of smelling. Sense of smelling. So, main function of the nose is what? Smelling. Apart from the smell, what kind of function it will be performing? We need air to survive. So, from where we are taking air? From the nose only. Right? So, nose performs the functions of smelling and breathing. What we can say? Smelling and breathing functions can be performed by nose. Okay? And smell. Like I told while teaching lesson, I told that different types of smells also will be there. Like your mother is preparing your favorite dish, like sweet or biryani or whatever it may. You can by smelling you can able to identify what kind of dish your mother is going to prepare. So in that way nose will be helping to us. Next, coming to the tongue, sense of taste. Sense of taste. As tongue it is having, on the tongue we are having number of taste buds. Different number of taste buds are present. With the help of these taste buds only we are able to identify different tastes. So we are having number of tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, salty, etc. Okay, different types of tastes are there. With the help of these taste buds on the tongue only we are able to identify different tastes with the help of our tongue. And next coming to the skin. What it is? Sense of touch. Sense of touch. So what it will do? Skin, how it will be helping in sense of touching? Like if any hot or cold objects are there, if you touch it, what happens? Immediately you will pull your hand back. Why? Your skin is saying that it is very hot, don't touch it. In that way our skin will be reacting to different types of touches. So how we are able to sense these all feelings? With the help of nerves. With the help of nerves. Where these nerves are connected? They are connected to the brain. So all sense organs are connected to the brain with the help of nerves. So this is all about the sense organs. And next is care. How we should take care of our eyes, ears, nose and sense organs. First of all, eyes. As I said, it's a very delicate and sensitive organ in our body. It's very delicate. It's very sensitive organ. So what we have to, how we should care it? We should not rub our eyes with the dirty hands. We should not rub our eyes with the dirty hands. We should use clean handkerchief or a clean tissue paper to wipe our eyes. And we should never bring sharp objects near to our eyes. Next, ears. We should not hear a very loud sound. We should not hear, we should cover our ears when there is a very loud sound. And we should not put any sharp objects in the ear. Nose. We should blow our nose while taking bath. We should keep our nose clean. And when you are suffering with cold or anything, you should use clean handkerchief and a tissue paper to clean your nose. Tongue. While while doing brush, what we have to do, we should use the tongue cleaners, which is made up of with fiber material, not with the steel or whatever like other metals, but we have to use the fiber material, which will be cleaning your tongue very cleanly, and it will be your taste buds will be very active. So while taking bath or while doing brush, you have to take care of your tongue. And coming to the skin, you should wash your body. You should take bath daily twice with the soap and clean your body after bathing. You have to clean your body with a clean towel. And you have to change your inner garments. Okay? Every 2 to 3 months you have to change it, and you should do bath twice a day. In this way, if you take care of your sense organs, you have to take care of your sense organs. I hope you all understood the class very well. So whatever the questions I am going to give in the examination will be of this, what I taught in the class and in the revision video. Once this revision video comes into the YouTube, you just go back to the sense organs and its care video. Both you see together and try to write the exam. Don't take help of your parents in writing the exam, but take help in reading the question paper. Okay? All the best.